Hi everybody, I'm going to begin my practice with a new vocabulary, and my practice is going to be to use these words in a full conversation, okay? I know the meaning of these words, so I know the meaning of structure. So I'm going to copy structure. I'm going to copy them into a Google Doc so that I have the list here. I have prior, and then I have missed, and the lays out, or to lay out, here's in third person singular, and then I have emulate, okay, and restructure. So I'm gonna try to come up with story by using these 5 words. So restructure, we know the meaning of restructure. If you want to restructure our house or remodel our house, then we're talking about restructure. But in business, we talk also about restructuring. When a company decides to restructure, it means that a lot of people are going to be laid off. And about a month ago, my company went through a restructure, and then a lot of my colleagues were laid off, and it was very sad to me. So prior to this company, I had never seen something like that, because my previous companies were very solid companies, and none of my colleagues were ever fired. I worked 15 years for my previous company. I wasn't fired, I just quit because I wanted to change my job. And so now I find myself in the midst of this situation where some of my colleagues are being laid off. I don't feel pretty sure about my job nowadays, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be fired. I hope not, because they need me, but nobody can guarantee me that my job is gonna be safe. Why? Because a lot of my colleagues who were very expert people, knowledgeable people, were fired, okay? So now I'm trying to lay out all my expertise, all the knowledge that I have, so that I can also count on myself and not on a job. So what I mean to lay out is to say, okay, what are my opportunities? What are my strengths? And use these strengths to create something for myself and run a business out of it. I already have it by creating tutorials, courses online, etc. So I have this in mind. I also try to emulate some of my heroes, like, I don't know, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and some of the polyglots around the world. For example, we have Luca Lampariello from Italy, who speaks almost 12 languages. So I try to also emulate him and learn new languages, like, for example, Danish, or improve my German, keep on going with my Portuguese. So these are my words. And so I hope you come up with your own story by mixing these words. This is the way to practice, to being spontaneous, like I'm doing now. Just record yourself without making any pause, so that you can test your skills and your conversation skills by using these words, not only a word at a time in a phrase. Okay, that's nice to do if you want to tell your story about restructuring your house, or if you were in the midst of something, or if you were laying out something, or you're emulating something or somebody. But trying to combine different words into a story, that gives you a great opportunity to test your vocabulary, your fluency also. So I hope to watch your videos. Please share. I don't want to be the only one sharing, so I hope you do the same. And thank you. Keep on studying, keep on practicing, and see you soon. Bye.